You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word if you want. This is a name actually. It's a surname, and it's also the name of a famous formula used for sample sizing. Anyhow, it is usually pronounced in English as Chochran. Yes, indeed. The CHs there are pronounced more like Ks or K hard. Chochran. Stress on the first syllable, the Choch syllable. Chochran. So it's not Chochran, Chochran. Schwa sound, a sound. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Chochran. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.